Today, in English grammar, we shall learn a new chapter, Kinds of Adjectives. What is an adjective? A word which tells us something about a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective. It adds something to the meaning of a noun. It is also called a describing word. Example: my mother is a kind lady. An ostrich has a long neck. The words kind and long are the examples of adjective, as they tell us more about the nouns lady and neck. Adjectives are generally placed before nouns, but sometimes they are also placed after nouns. Based on its functions, adjectives can be classified as follows. Kinds of adjectives. First, adjective of quality. States the quality of a noun. Example: good, red, young, intelligent. Adjective of quantity. It states the quantity of an uncountable noun. Example: some, little, much, whole. Adjective of number. Definite numeral adjectives. Example: 1, 3, 6, second. Indefinite numeral adjectives. Example: many, few, all, several. Demonstrative adjective. It points out or refers to a noun. Example: this, that, these, those. Interrogative adjective. It asks for information about its noun. Example: which, what, whose. Let's learn them in detail. First, adjective of quality. An adjective of quality tells us about the kind of a person or a thing, that is a noun. An adjective of quality answers the question of what kind. Example: the foolish monkey learnt a lesson. There were white swans in the lake. The underlined words foolish and white shows the quality of a monkey and swans. Adjective of quantity. An adjective of quantity tells us how much of a thing is being spoken about. It is usually used with uncountable nouns. It tells us about the amount of an uncountable thing, like a liquid, a gas, a very small particle like sand, etc. It answers the question how much. Example: give me some money. One must drink enough water. The words some and enough are adjectives of quantity. Adjective of number. An adjective of number tells us about people or things, that is nouns, that can be counted. It also tells us that in what order a person or thing stands. It answers the question how many. Example: I have 2 brothers. The word 2 is adjective of number, as it tells about the countable noun. Adjective of number can be classified into definite numeral adjective and indefinite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective. It is a type of adjective of number which tells the exact number. Example, the first option was the simplest. The word first is a definite numeral adjective. Indefinite numeral adjective. It is the adjective which does not indicate an exact number. Example, several incidents were reported to the police. The word several is an indefinite numeral adjective. Demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective is used with a noun to point out a person or a thing, that is noun, with these, that, these and those. It answers the question which one. Example, that boy is a singer. Those trees have medicinal values. That and those are demonstrative adjectives, as they point out the nouns boy and trees. Interrogative adjective. The words what, which and whose used with nouns to ask questions about nouns are called interrogative adjectives. In other words, an interrogative adjective is used with a noun to ask a question. Example, which color do you like the most? Whose idea was this? The words which and whose are interrogative adjectives. Let's solve the exercise. Pick out the adjectives and state their kind. First, take good care of your physical fitness. The words good and physical are adjectives of quality, as they tell us about the quality. Second, several policemen rushed to the spot. Several is indefinite numeral adjective, as it does not tell us the exact number. Third, what plan do you have? What is an interrogative adjective, as it asks the question about a noun. Fourth, there are 7 marbles in the box. 7 is an adjective of number, as it is used with the noun which can be counted. Fifth, this bike is not mine. This is demonstrative adjective, as it points the bike, that is a noun. Thank you for watching the video.